Hello everyone, let's study about nuclear pore. The nuclear pore is a protein-lined channel in the nuclear envelope that regulates the transportation of molecules between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. In eukaryotic cells, the nucleus is separated from the cytoplasm and surrounded by a nuclear envelope. This envelope safeguards the DNA contained in the nucleus. In spite of this barrier, there is still communication between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. This communication is regulated by the nuclear pores. Each nuclear pore is a large complex of proteins that allows small molecules and ions to freely pass, or diffuse, into or out of the nucleus. Nuclear pores also allow necessary proteins to enter the nucleus from the cytoplasm if the proteins have special sequences that indicate they belong in the nucleus. These sequence tags are known as nuclear localization signals. Similarly, RNA transcribed in the nucleus and proteins that are destined to enter the cytoplasm have nuclear export sequences that tag them for release through the nuclear pores. The nuclear pore structure is similar to a basketball ring and net. The ring is situated on the nuclear membrane. Recall that the nuclear membrane is the double membrane that surrounds the nucleus while the basket portion lies inside the nucleus. The nuclear pore complex is made of nucleoporins, which are integral and peripheral proteins that are anchored in the nuclear membrane. The nuclear pore complex is made of the following components. Columnar subunits are integral proteins that traverse the nuclear membrane and that comprise the majority of the nuclear pore complex. Annular subunits are arranged radially in the nuclear pore complex and contribute to the selectivity of the channel. Luminal subunits reside between the two layers of the double membrane and anchor the nuclear pore complex to the nuclear membrane. Ring subunits are circular structures that form the inner and outer boundaries of the nuclear pore complex against the membrane. Fibrils form the basket portion of the nuclear pore complex inside of the nucleus and extend as filaments into the cytoplasm. Numbered parts of the nuclear pore complex are: nuclear membrane, outer ring, made of ring subunits and luminal subunits. Spokes, made of annular subunits. Basket, made of fibrils. Filaments, made of fibrils. Nuclear pore complexes (NPCs) are the gateways connecting the nucleoplasm and cytoplasm. These structures are composed of over 30 different proteins and 60 to 125 MDA of mass depending on type of species. NPCs are bilateral pathways that selectively control the passage of macromolecules into and out of the nucleus. Molecules smaller than 40 kDa diffuse through the NPC passively while larger molecules require facilitated transport provided by their attachment to careophorins. The nuclear pore complex (NPC) mediates selective transport across the nuclear envelope (NE) and plays crucial roles in several additional cellular functions. In higher eukaryotes, the NPC and the NE disassemble and reassemble during cell division, and live cell imaging has been a powerful tool to analyze these dynamic processes. Nucleus pores under microscope. Thanks for watching.